Okay, welcome back, everybody. This is day 3 of our garage build. Yesterday, we got our footers dug. Now we have to put wood in for our step-ups, set our pins for the height of our footer, which is going to be 12 inches. And we are going to be putting some rebar down with some chairs and some ties. But for right now, we're going to go down there. They are trying to fix the excavator and the track. We're going to go down there and see what they're doing. Got her going? Oh, yeah. You're good.
You should have seen how much grease shot out of this thing.
Oh, really?
I buried it in the dirt over there. I'm going to put that on it.
We got her.
Well, that'll be fine. So what'd you do? Have to drain the grease out?
Once you, there's like a big plug in there, you take it out, it shot grease clear out to here.
I took it out and rolled the track, and when I rolled the track, it just...
Oh, okay, all the pressure in it.
This little thing here on the pulley, the roller, it'll compress, and then you put the track back over these.
Okay.
And then you pump it back up, and it expands that track again.
What grease do you use?
I just use red grease.
Just red grease?
Yeah, they had like fresh
factory
white in there. Look at that.
Oh,
Some fresh stuff.
that looks clean.
Yeah.
Well, it is brand new. Do you think you being on
I think the gravel's something.
Yeah, I mean, he rolled.
Oh, I got you. And gravel is up in the... I got you. Well,
I'm getting my money out of that Takuchi today.
I'll get your money out of it. Run the hell out of it. We do got a skid. We'll go with Takeuchi. I don't know how to say it.
Shit, I went half inch too short.
Down tap. Down tap. Down a tap.
Oh, that was a bad tap.
Up. There it is. Okay. Springs. It's easier if they're like at a 90 degree.
Yeah, if I keep it this way, I'm just going to go across.
Yeah, you're good there. Real good.
Okay, fixed it up. Made the two parallel ones even. Now we're gonna go up there and do the same thing. Down here, we use the scrap 2x4s to build our batten because it's lower. We're just gonna use concrete pins up here, screw our 2x to it because it's a little bit higher than what's down in these corners. On there.
All right, I see it. And then we're gonna.
Let me show you what's going on here. So we have our battens going all 4 corners here. We took our string, measured for our dimensions of our building, and then we pulled diagonals. It's a long, kind of boring process, just all moving by micros. But we have it pretty set as far as being square. And then with the string line, what we did is drop a plumb bob where it's square, straight down, and then I put a piece of rebar down there to indicate our corners, and we did that for all 4 corners. Our footer pins are all set to where we need them to be. Now we're going to start throwing some rebar in the hole and building our step-ups. Putting this rebar in this footer, but a little tip, these right here are my pins for the height of my footer, and what we did was paint orange mark on each side of the ditch, so whenever we're pouring it and raking it, we know an idea of where the pin's at, as opposed to just trying to guess. Another thing is we plumb bobbed our string here down, and we put a pin down and left it higher than the footer, painted it orange. Whenever we go to lay our block, we have our corners at least roughly set to where they need to be, and it just, I don't know, it makes things a little easier. And you want your rebar to run continuously through, and I don't have a rebar bender, but what we're going to use is the truck hitch. I'm going to show you. I'm really going to do is almost bend and offset like you would for conduit. Seashell sheet fitting. Look at that. There. This one. Okay, well, pretty much got all of the rebar done in our footer. I am missing, I'm 2 pieces short. I do have the footer concrete coming tomorrow, but it's not till about 10 or 11. So I got some time. I'll just pick up some rebar in the morning, finish it up, and we should be good to go.